This is a 2014 Cadillac ATS. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, direct injection, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel controls, rear power windows, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, front and rear reading lights, a stability control system, a front and rear parking aid, and this vehicle has fewer than 17,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.